I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate, episode 151. And today we're going to be talking about 3 tips that you can use to increase your home's value. Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss a single one. This is actually episode 151. Today, where I'm going to give you 3 specific tips you can use to increase your home's value. When you're selling your home, everyone wants to maximize the value, and this is some ways that you can make sure you get the biggest return on the investment as possible. Be creative. Number one, be creative with your space. If COVID taught us anything about your home is much more than just a house. It has to function on so many different levels. Try to maybe create a home gym, a home theater. Be creative with your spaces. Those interior relaxing spaces are what's going to make your home jump out in a very busy marketplace. Another idea is maybe maximize the space by minimizing the clutter. Buyers are moving up or moving down. It's going to be one direction or the other. Make high quality use of the space to make sure they don't feel like they're going to be cramped. Upgrading storage options, make the space easier and more appealing. All those things can go a long way. And 3, make sure as best as you can to maximize the exterior spaces of your home. Make them an extension of the interior. This is going to go a long way to making buyers feel like your home is the greatest value possible. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes over on my YouTube channel. Check out the website, chriswhitehurst.com. I'm also on most popular media sites like Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst.